Hello everyone, let's make these amazing PPT slides. I have shared many useful tricks in the video, so please watch it till the end. First go to Format Background and change the background color. Then go to Inset tab and insert an image of your choice. I will select this one for first slide. Now if you see that there is a need to crop this image, then you can do this with the use of Crop tool. If you want the template of these slides, then you can find the link in description box. So this is perfect now. Next, insert in text box and write your text. Change the formatting of it. Then go to Text Options and add some shadow to it. Then for the 3D look I will insert few elements. So from Google you can download these elements as per your choice. So for this slide, I will copy this image and paste it here. Now I will change the transparency level and also make some elements blur to highlight the main content. I will increase the size of the image. Bring it to front. Then insert the content. This is not looking good. Let me change the alphabetic size. And also send it to back. This is perfect now. Now insert a new slide. Change its background color, and then insert an image. Resize it, and crop it according to your choices. Now for the content, I will copy the heading from here and paste it here. Rename it. Then for this slide, I will select these strawberries. There are so many options, so you can also select from 2 to 3 or more than that references as per the demand of your slide. So as of now I am copying this. And in the same way I will copy other strawberries. You can see I have reduced the transparency level from here. And then from the artistic effect I have blurred this image. Let me send this one to back. Then insert your content. Due to the background color this is not much visible, so I am giving some shadow to it. For next slide, you can also duplicate the slide, and then delete all elements and change the background color. Then insert an image of chocolate ice cream. Adjust it like you did in last two slides. Then write the content. And insert small elements. So for this, I am taking the small pieces of dairy milk chocolate. You can take this as well. But here I am copying this image. Paste the different elements at different places. You can see I have blurred this image. Send them back. I will insert the content, so I will need some space at right side, so shift the image little bit. Then for in the same way last slide, change the content. All elements. Change the color. And then insert the image of this. Insert the image of this. Adjust it. I will insert the PNG of blueberries for this slide. This would be perfect for our slide. Let's make it blur. You can change the radius of blurriness from here. Insert another elements and send them back. and then insert the content. Now the most tricky and important part comes here. But no worries, I make it easy for you all. You need to copy all the elements of second slides and paste it on right side of first slide. And then paste the content of first slide on the right side of second slide. This will give you the round and smooth transition. Follow the same procedure for left slides. The end, your screen will look something like this. Now you just need to apply. Need to apply Morph Transition in all slides. And here you go. Subscribe our channel for more PPT tips and tricks.